Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to Redmi 14C device. Guys, let's suppose I have this device and I want to transfer data from this device to this device of WhatsApp. So all you guys have to do just first of all install the WhatsApp on this device, and all you guys have to do just click on chats option. So in the chat section, we have the option of transfer chats. Just tap on transfer chats guys and then click start. So after that guys, as you guys see, we have a QR scanner here. So that's mean if we next this and then click agree and continue. So I have to enter the number of this WhatsApp to here, and after that we have a barcode here. All you guys have to do just put the scanner on the barcode, and then your all the data will be start transferring automatically. So that's how we can transfer the data from any Android device to Redmi 14C. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.